In Unit 5B, which is entitled How to Describe Things, you will learn what? How to ask someone to describe something. Here we have different ways. You can use the verb can or could. Can you tell me more about that missing or your missing bag? Could you please tell me about your missing bag? So here we used what? First of all, you can use can or could. Or you can use what is it like? Or do you know what market is called? Do you know? Or describe your missing car or missing bag, please. So here we have four different ways if you want to ask somebody to describe something or to give you more details about a specific thing. The second thing that you need to know is that if you have several adjectives, which one to put first? If you have an adjective of size, color, age, brand, type, and others, usually the adjective of size, big or small, comes before color, red, or let's say purple, whatever. And color comes before age, and age comes before what? Brand. And brand comes before type, and type before others. So if you have, let's say, old red bag, not necessarily all of these adjectives, all of these types of adjectives come in one sentence. They might come all of them. You might need only 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So if I give you what? Small, purple, okay, Nike watch. You say what? I lost my small purple Nike watch. Smallest size, purplest color, brand is Nike is a brand, and then what? Watch. Watch is a noun. So you have to arrange. If you have several adjectives, you have to know which adjective, which type of adjective comes before which. Let's have these examples. It is a small woman watch. Here we have what? Size, type. What type of watches? We have what? Women. Small women watch. It is a big red ball. So again we have size, color. It's a new Nokia phone. So here we have what? Brand. Here we have what? Age, and then brand. It's a 3 years old digital watch. Here we have what? 3 years old. Here we have age, type. This is a noun. It is in a black case. Here we have only one adjective. It has got a shoulder strap. Okay, description. The bag has got my name inside. This is a new way or another way of describing something. It's a quite old Gucci blouse. Quite old. This is what? Age. Gucci. This is what? A brand. And the blouse is a noun itself. The bag has got a black handle. Black handle. We have here only color. Sometimes we have only one adjective. And other times we have several adjectives. If you have more than one adjective, in this case you have to know which one comes first. Size, remember that size becomes before color, and color before age, age before brand, brand before type, and type before any other types of adjective. Here we will have what? I'll give you two examples. See. In this example here we have what? We have two photo or two images. The first one is what? We'll start with what? With the color. It's colored, short-sleeved shirt. It has got a collar and 3 buttons. Here, it's a blue t-shirt. It has got what? A collar and 3 buttons. Let's go to the next example. Here we have 2 types of jackets. The first one is what? It's a beige plain jacket. It's a beige or brown plain jacket. It has got a hood, 2 buckets, and 3 buttons. This one, it's a blue polka dots jacket. It has got a hood, 2 buckets, and a zipper. I will leave these for you to exercise on Google Classroom. I will discuss only the first one. For instance, here we have what? It's a small brown, okay, traveler bag, or traveling bag, sorry. Or you can say it's a small, this is size, brown, okay, a luggage. It has a handle and 2 tires. See, because I have 2 adjectives, I have to know which one comes before which. I will leave the rest of these images for you to discuss and describe on Google Classroom. Finally, here we have 3 words that I really liked when I was reading. Okay, so the first one is meticulously catalogued. Meticulously means exactly, carefully catalogued. So for instance, the clerk or the person who works at the airport might say what? The bags, okay, the missing bags were meticulously catalogued according to the date and location of discovery. So I like this sentence and I wanted to share it with you. Here, a lot of cash dropped on a sidewalk. You know, sometimes we use a measuring tool to measure something. For instance, if you have the word advice, we use the measuring tool at pieces of advice. We don't say advices. If you have information, we say pieces of information. If you have chocolate, you say a bar of chocolate, which means just like a piece of chocolate. But we use which word? Bar of chocolate. If you had, let's say, an amount of cash money, you say a wad of cash. Okay, so just learn this phrase. Vicissitudes, this is a third word. I like this word. Represent changes that happens at different times during the life or development of someone or something, especially those that result in the condition being worse. So vicissitude means what? Ups and downs of life. So losing your job is just one of the vicissitudes of life. This is one of the ups and downs of life. So as I told you, in this unit you have to know what? You have to know how to ask ask someone to describe something. Okay, so we have 4 different ways. If you have several adjectives, which one to start with? You have to know that size comes before color, color before age, age before brand, brand before type, and type before others. And here we have some examples. And here we have what? 3 just phrases, words, whatever. I want you just to learn them by heart and try to use them when you write something. This is a list of references. Thank you for watching.